Namaste, my name is Mayuri. I just finished my 200-hour training with Vinyasa Yogashala, and I'm really delighted on how the experience turned out. Teachers were amazing. I had amazing fellow students. Yes, it was intense, but I think intensity is what you're exactly looking for. And I learned so much about yoga on different aspects like history, meditation, physiology, and as well as yoga philosophy. And the experience was beautiful with a lot of spiritual events. So this whole 1 month was very transformative for me. And yeah, I do definitely recommend this course for whoever is looking for a 200-hour training. This place is the right direction that you're headed to. Namaste. Thank you.